the country that welcomes you the moment you arrive. Located in Southeast Asia, it is a place where tradition and modern life exist side by side, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. From the towering skyscrapers of Kuala Lumpur to quiet villages and tropical islands, Malaysia offers a rich mix of culture, nature, and opportunity. Malaysia is made up of two main regions, Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. This geographical diversity gives the country a wide range of landscapes, climates, and lifestyles. It is a multicultural nation, shaped by Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous communities, all contributing to its identity. The people of Malaysia are known for their warmth and hospitality. Respect, kindness, and community are important values in everyday life. Visitors often feel comfortable and safe, as English is widely spoken, especially in cities and business environments. Malaysia's culture is colorful and deeply rooted in tradition. Religious and cultural festivals are celebrated throughout the year, bringing communities together. Food plays a central role in Malaysian culture. Each dish tells a story of the country's diversity, making Malaysia one of the world's most exciting culinary destinations. Malaysia is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. Its rainforests are among the oldest on Earth, home to rare wildlife and plant species. Beyond the forests, Malaysia offers stunning beaches, coral reefs, rivers, and mountains. The country actively promotes ecotourism and environmental conservation. Malaysia's cities are modern, vibrant, and well-developed. Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru offer excellent infrastructure, efficient transportation, and a high quality of life at a relatively affordable cost. This balance between modern living and natural beauty makes Malaysia an attractive place to visit and live. Malaysia has a strong and stable economy, supported by business-friendly policies and a strategic location in Asia. Key industries include technology, manufacturing, finance, tourism, and the halal industry. With a skilled, multilingual workforce, Malaysia continues to attract global investors, entrepreneurs, and digital nomads. Malaysia is more than a travel destination. It is a country of diversity, opportunity, and natural beauty, a place where cultures connect and the future continues to grow. Whether you visit for leisure, business, or inspiration, Malaysia leaves a lasting impression. Discover Malaysia, truly Asia. If you're visiting for a longer period, we also offer another guide to help you explore further and navigate more destinations. If you're only in Malaysia for a few days, we have a guide to help you get around and see the main hotspots fast. See links below.